Positive. Emotion states. Determined. Having a strong will to achieve something. Example. She was determined to finish her project on time despite the challenges. Inspired. Filled with creativity or motivation by something or someone. Example. The teacher's words inspired him to work harder. Creative. Able to produce new and original ideas. Example. He used a creative approach to solve the problem. Healthy. Feeling well, energetic, and free from illness. Example. After exercising regularly, she felt more healthy and active. Renewed. Feeling refreshed or given new energy. Example. After a short holiday, he returned with renewed energy. Vibrant. Full of life, energy, and enthusiasm. Example. The vibrant city was alive with music and lights. Strengthened. Made stronger, either physically or emotionally. Example. Their friendship was strengthened after facing difficulties together. Motivated. Having the drive or reason to do something. Example. She felt motivated to study after scoring well in the last test. Focused. Paying close attention and not distracted. Example. He stayed focused on his goals until he achieved them. Invigorated. Filled with energy and strength. Example. The morning walk invigorated her for the whole day. Refreshed. Feeling rested and more energetic after rest or relaxation. Example. A good night's sleep left him refreshed and ready for work. Confused negative emotions. Mixed up. Confused or not thinking clearly. Example. I'm so mixed up about what decision to make. Unsure. Not certain or confident. Example. She was unsure whether to accept the job offer. Stuck. Unable to move forward or find a solution. Example. He felt stuck in his career with no opportunities for growth. Hurt. Feeling pain, either physically or emotionally. Example. She was hurt by her friend's harsh words. Frozen. Unable to act because of fear, shock, or confusion. Example. He was frozen with fear when he saw the snake. Desperate. Feeling hopeless and willing to try anything. Example. The villagers were desperate for water during the drought. Anxious. Worried or nervous about something. Example. She was anxious before her exam results came out. Troubled. Feeling worried, upset, or disturbed. Example. He looked troubled after hearing the bad news. Uncomfortable. Not feeling at ease, physically or mentally. Example. She felt uncomfortable speaking in front of a large audience. Stunned. Shocked, surprised, or amazed. Example. He was stunned to hear that he had won the competition.